In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply notification profiles. We will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you understand exactly how to set up your notifications efficiently and effectively. Let's get started. First, you'll need to create notification profiles. Begin by heading over to the Settings area. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the screen, represented by a gear icon. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the section labeled Account Defaults. Here, you'll find a subsection called Notification Profiles. Click on this, and you'll see an option to create a new profile. When creating your notification profile, you have several options for channels to be notified through. These include email, bell, pop-up, and browser notifications. Think about where you spend most of your time or what method of notification you prefer. For example, if you're constantly checking your emails, it might make sense to toggle on email notifications. Otherwise, if you work a lot in your browser, browser notifications could work best for you. After you've chosen your channels, you'll need to decide what events you want to be notified about. Common notifications might include changes in a deal stage or when tasks are assigned. You can customize these according to your needs. Once you've set your preferences, don't forget to save the profile. Saving ensures all your settings are stored correctly and ready to be applied whenever needed. Next, let's apply the notification profile via presets. Start by returning to the settings. This time, look for Users and Teams. That's where you'll manage team-wide settings. Find and select the Presets option from this menu. Here, you can either create a new preset or edit an existing one. Once you're editing the preset, switch to the Notifications tab. It's crucial to first select the notification profile you've just created. This action links the profile with the preset. Now, you need to define who should receive these notifications. To do this, switch to the Users and Teams tab. This section shows all available users and teams in your system. Simply add the users or teams you wish to associate with this preset. It helps to be mindful of who genuinely needs specific notifications to avoid overwhelming team members with information not relevant to them. After you've added the appropriate users or teams, make sure to save the preset once again. Saving this preset ensures that everyone assigned will receive notifications as per the profile you've created. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to create and apply notification profiles efficiently. By following these steps, you ensure that you, your team members, or anyone else involved will stay informed and up to date on key events. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit any part of this guide if you need further clarification.